We all depend on the modest pencil, from solving arithmetic to creating masterpieces. It is a tool for everything. But have you ever given it any thought? Stay with us as we explore the amazing trip a pencil travels from raw wood and graphite to the reliable tool in your hand. Pencils. Simple but essential tools that have molded human creativity and communication for millennia. Pencils are always there when you need them, whether you're writing notes, drawing a masterpiece, or working through a math equation. But have you ever given any thought to how this daily need is created? Originating with the discovery of graphite reserves in England around the 16th century, the pencil's history spans over 500 years. The design changed throughout time, from raw graphite wrapped in wood or thread to the exactly manufactured pencils we know today. With each step painstakingly crafted to guarantee quality, consistency, and sustainability, modern pencil manufacture is an amazing mix of history and cutting-edge technology. From choosing the best materials to the latest coatings of paint and branding, every pencil has a narrative to tell before it ever gets to your hand. The journey of a pencil starts with the choice of premium raw resources. Every element, the core, the wood case, the ferrule, and the eraser, is thoughtfully selected to guarantee that the final result is robust, useful, and ecologically benign. Often referred to as the lead, the core of the pencil contains an exact mix of graphite and clay. Mines that produce pure graphite supply this mix. Further refining removes contaminants. The clay is added not just to hold the graphite together, but also to manage the pencil's hardness or softness, which is essential to obtaining the broad spectrum of grades utilized by writers and artists. Usually composed of cedar, the wood casing is taken sustainably to guarantee the continued health and renewable nature of forests. Cedar is perfect for shaping and honing because of its fine grain and warping resistance. Ultimately, the eraser, created from synthetic rubber or vinyl, and the ferrule, fashioned from aluminum or brass, are meant to withstand many uses, so every pencil operates consistently from start to finish. The voyage of a pencil starts with its core, the fundamental element allowing it to have writing capacity. Unlike its name, the lead in a pencil consists of absolutely none. Rather, it's a precise mix of graphite and clay, meticulously crafted to provide the ideal harmony between hardness and smoothness. Graphite core manufacture begins with crushing graphite and clay into an ultra-fine powder. To make a homogeneous, malleable paste, these two components are blended with water. Graphite to clay ratios define the quality of the pencil. More graphite produces softer, darker leads, sustainable for sketching and shading, while more clay produces harder, lighter leads, ideal for technical writing or detailed drawings. Once blended, the paste is extruded precisely via a die to produce long, thin rods. These rods, which are called leads, are precisely the length required for pencils. The paste is then hardened by baking it in high-temperature kilns, therefore turning it from a paste into a solid but flexible core. At last, a small layer of wax or oil covers the lead to minimize friction and guarantee a smooth writing experience. Although the heart of a pencil is formed by the graphite core, the hardwood case offers its strength and resilience. Cedar's wood's exquisite grain, smooth feel, and natural resistance to warping appeal to factories. But how does this raw material become the sleek, polished case seen on pencils today? The process starts with carefully chosen cedar logs, shipped to sawmills and carved into consistent blocks. These blocks, sometimes known as pencil stock, are cut into slats, thin planks. With exact dimensions to guarantee uniformity during manufacture, every slat is just thick enough to support the pencil core. The slats are then kiln dried to eliminate extra moisture, therefore guaranteeing the stability of the wood over time and preventing warping. The slats are sanded smooth and treated with wax and stain combination to improve their look and simplify manufacturing once they have dried. During this stage, factories pre-dry the wood, therefore determining the final color of the pencil case from the traditional yellow to contemporary designs in any hue possible. Once the cedar slats are ready, their form fits the graphite core of the pencil. Cutting exact grooves along each slat's length in this stage lays the basis for the construction of the pencil. The slats are fed into high grooving machines with sharp blades meant to cut many grooves in one pass. Every groove is precisely sized to meet the graphite's core diameter, therefore guaranteeing a tight and strong fit. Accuracy is crucial. If the grooves are even somewhat off-center, the core may break readily or produce uneven lines when writing. Advanced sensors used in factories evaluate groove alignment and depth, therefore rejecting any slats that fall short of the high-quality criteria. At this point, the slats, which are basic wood planks, become the structure that will eventually house the heart of the pencil. It's time for these two pieces to come together once the slats are grooved and the graphite core is ready. This stage is where the accuracy counts, since the location of the core affects the performance and lifetime of the pencil. To keep the graphite cores firmly in place, a tiny layer of glue covers the grooves in the slats. Then, machines gently slide each core into the grooves, such that they exactly line the slat's center line. The adhesive chosen is meant to dry fast and create a strong bond, therefore stopping the core from moving or fracturing under use. Employees monitor the operation and conduct random inspections to guarantee proper seating of every core. To cut waste, misaligned or broken slats are taken off the line and recycled. By the end of this stage, the pencils start to take form with the core securely anchored in the hardwood frame. It's time to surround the graphite cores with the hardwood casing now that they are in place. This is accomplished by building what is sometimes referred to as the pencil sandwich, whereby two slats are joined to tightly encapsulate the core. Like the first, the process starts with a second grooved slat being adhesive coated. Carefully placed over the one containing the graphite cores, this slat is then placed here. Precision is crucial. Any misalignment could produce a difficult sharpened pencil or off-center cores. Once in line, the two slats are forced together under great pressure to create a strong bond that will hold despite sharpening and hard use. The glue is designed to dry fast and strongly, therefore transforming the two distinct slats into one solid block. These pencil sandwiches are left to cure after bonding, therefore guaranteeing a smooth connection between the graphite and the wood before the following stage. It's time to give the pencil sandwiches their distinctive form now that they're finished. At this point, the sandwiches are split into 2 individual pencils, and their structure is polished into consistent, smooth designs. First cut into long rectangular strips with single pencil proportions, the sandwich strips are then fed into shaping machines where rotary blades or sanding belts shape them into the required profile. A popular design is the basic hexagonal form, known for its ergonomic grip and capacity to remain set on a level surface. Round pencils are also manufactured for artistic or specialist purposes. Pencil forms are even tailored by factories for branding or advertising needs. Excess wood is gathered, chipped, and recycled at this level to guarantee little waste. Each pencil is lastly sanded down to a smooth finish, ready for painting and further decorations. The pencils are ready for their brilliant finishing touch once they've been formed. The painting procedure increases longevity and shields the wood, in addition to improving the look of the pencil. Pencils are arranged on revolving racks that dip them into vats of non-toxic, fast-drying paint. Many times, factories coat objects several times to guarantee a smooth and equal finish. Apart from its appearance, this famous layer of color serves as a barrier, shielding the wood from wear and moisture. Yellow is the most identifiable pencil color. It started in the late 19th century as a sign of premium quality. But today, pencils come in a range of hues to suit different uses and markets. The pencil passed through a drying tunnel once painted, where heat and regulated airflow speed up the curing process. Following drying, branding and other elements, such as pencil grade or logo, are painted onto the surface using specialist equipment guaranteed to produce accurate and sharp writing. It's time to add the last details, the eraser and the ferrule, when the body of the pencil is perfect. These parts improve the pencil's utility in addition to completing its recognizable form. Made of aluminum or brass for durability and flexibility, the ferrule is the tiny metal band holding the eraser in place. Pre-formed into cylindrical forms, the ferrules are crimped tightly into the end of every pencil. Erasers are applied after the ferrule is fastened. Made from either synthetic rubber or vinyl, erasers are selected for their capacity to neatly remove graphite without damaging paper. Inside the ferrule, exactly the right quantity of glue is used to securely hold the eraser in place so it won't come free during use. Pencils without erasers for particular purposes, including technical drawing or art, are sometimes provided by factories, therefore stressing the adaptability of pencil design. Following this stage, the pencils are last checked to guarantee every detail satisfies quality criteria. Their adventure is far from finished, even with the pencils perfect. Pencils travel a worldwide distribution network to reach customers of all ages, from the factory floor to classrooms, workplaces, and art studios all around. The distribution procedure starts with pencils being packed into different sized boxes meant for different markets. Small packs for personal use, bulk shipments for businesses and offices. To guarantee correct delivery, every box is meticulously labeled with specifics, including grade, color, and quantity. Stacks on pallets and kept in temperature-regulated warehouses, these boxes guard the pencils from damage and humidity. From there, logistical systems direct the pencils onto trucks, planes, or ships to guarantee quick and effective delivery all around. Custom-designed pencils for artistic collections, specialized stores, and promotional events, as well as factories, provide a wide spectrum of choices for consumers all around. From its modest beginnings, pencil production has advanced a great distance. Technological and design innovations have not only raised efficiency, but also broadened the range of pencils now accessible by increasing usefulness. Modern manufacturers use cutting-edge robotics and artificial intelligence-driven technologies to expedite the manufacturing and enable the exact consistency of millions of pencils. Among the innovations are mechanical pencils with replaceable leads for long usage and multicolored pencil cores that let the user create gradient effects in one stroke. Manufacturers moving to repurpose wood, biodegradable materials, and water-based paints to lower environmental effects are also driving demand for eco-friendly choices. Mass customizing, made possible by digital developments, also let users create unique color combinations, names, logos, or pencils with names. These advances guarantee that pencils remain flexible and useful instruments for both conventional and artistic purposes. Although they may seem basic, pencils have a great influence on originality and creativity. For millennia, they have been indispensable for education, artistic expression, and innovative ideas. Often a child's first writing tool in a classroom, pencils teach the foundations of literacy and numeracy and assist in building fine motor skills. Pencils give artists unmatched control and accuracy, which lets them create lifelike portraits and finely detailed sketches. Pencils are vital for drafting designs. Engineering and architects value their simplicity in erasing and improving ideas. Beyond utility, pencils have a symbolic relationship to creativity since they allow one to dream, organize, and realize ideas. Their erasable character reminds us that mistakes are inevitable and hence a tool for development and innovation as well as for creation. The path of a pencil is a wonderful mix of history, technology, and invention, from raw materials like wood and graphite to a wonderfully created tool in your hand. Its actual worth, nevertheless, resides in what it enables: words, ideas, and art that shapes our planet. Pencils are a symbol of possibility rather than only writing tools. Pencils inspire us with the power of simplicity and the infinite possibilities of imagination. Whether we are designing the blueprints for a building or catching the beauty of a sunset, every pencil tells a tale of workmanship, inventiveness, and the will to motivate creativity behind it. The next time you have one, think of the amazing work that made it possible and the amazing possibilities it offers. So keep in mind the amazing trip a pencil has gone, from cedar forests and graphite mines to your fingertips the next time you pick one up. It's a creative and innovative companion, more than just a tool. We appreciate you traveling this road with us. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for additional behind-the-scenes tales of daily miracles. Let your imagination run free till next time.